guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you several ways you can speed up your computer. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go here to type here to search. Okay, click on that and then type in startup. You're going to want to click on see which processes start up automatically when you start Windows. So click on that and it's going to bring up this list of programs. Now what this list is this is all the stuff it opens when you boot up your computer. So if you don't want something to start when you boot up your computer, all you have to do is right click on it and then click disable. Don't disable everything though, like Realtek HD Audio Manager. Don't disable that because that's a driver, and if you disable drivers, it will cause your computer to have a few problems. So don't do that. Another way you can speed up your computer is you can use software like CCleaner. CCleaner, what that basically does is it's a program that cleans up all the junk files on your computer. So if you click Analyze, it's going to detect all of these junk files that are on your computer. So how you remove them is to click Run Cleaner and then click Continue. That's all you gotta do. Okay, so if you're experiencing a lot of errors with your computer and it's just really slow, there's two things you might want to do in this case. So go to type here to search and type in command. Click on command prompt and it should open it. Then when you get to this screen, type in WMIC, then press enter. It should come up with this code here, and then type in disk drive get status. Disk drive get status, then press enter. And this shows all the statuses of your drives. I only have one drive in my computer, so it's only showing one. But if it says something different than OK, it means there's a problem with your drive. If it says OK, there's no problems with your hard drive, which is good. But if it says something different than it, you may want to get a new hard drive. And the other thing is, if you're experiencing a lot of errors and pop-ups, you might want to scan for viruses, because that's kind of a sign that there's a virus on your computer. Now, even if your computer isn't slow, you should always have a virus protection. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is, well, everyone says this. If you have an old computer that's around 7 or 8 years old, you should probably get a new one, because you're going to start experiencing a lot of errors very soon and problems with your computer. And if none of this worked for you, you might want to upgrade the hardware in your computer if it's very slow. Now everyone says this, and it costs a bit of money. It costs a lot of money. Well, sometimes. It depends on what you're buying. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video on how to speed up your computer. I hope it really helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. It would really help me out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.